Hi, Marta Locklear here with Refine Co. Today I wanted to give you a look at our free Instagram story filters, how to find them and how to use them. I'm on my personal page here. I wanted to start here so you would see how to navigate from your own page. The first thing you want to do is go to the little magnifying glass at the bottom, and then up at the search bar you're going to search for Refined, already here. Here's Refine Presets Instagram profile, and you'll see under the little highlight bubbles here there are a bunch of icons. You want to click on the three little stars. Once you have the three little stars, you'll see that here's our Instagram story filters we have available right now with more coming. You're going to choose a filter, one or all of them. And once you're on the filter, it gives you like a little preview of what it looks like. This is Refined 1. And you can either try it, and then you can save it. I'm going to X out of that. And if you want to save it, you can save it right here with the little bookmark. So now this is saved. So then what you're going to do is when you're on your own profile, click the little plus sign up at the top. You'll have options to make a reel, make a story. You can use the Instagram story filters in a reel if you want to record that as well. So you click on story, click on camera, and then you would just hold down. So here, this is what it looks like without. And then this is what it looks like with. So nice difference. This looks a lot like Refine 1. So when you are posting your stories, they coordinate with your feed.